How to hide your likes on X, formerly Twitter. In this video, I'll show you how to make your activity more private using the latest X privacy settings. First, open the X app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now, go to Privacy and Safety, then tap on Audience and Tagging. Here, you'll see the option called Protect Your Posts and Protect Your Videos. Turn this option on. Once enabled, only your approved followers will be able to see your posts, replies, and most of your account activity. This is currently the closest privacy setting available if you're looking to hide likes and make your X account more private. Keep in mind that X does not currently offer a dedicated option to completely hide likes from everyone. However, switching your account to protected mode limits who can view your activity. And that's how to hide likes on X in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more X app tips, Twitter privacy settings tutorials, and social media how-to guides.